Welcome to part 13 of lecture 7 of this Python tutorial series. Topic of today's session is anonymous function. Goal of our tutorial series is to understand Python by implementation. Objective of today's session is to understand what are anonymous function, why they are called as anonymous function, and how we create anonymous function using lambda keyword. Anonymous functions are a function without name, therefore the heading anonymous. They are single expression function created using lambda keyword, therefore also called as single expression function. They are also called as lambda function because they are created using lambda keyword. For example, in this case, you are creating a sum object which is of function because it is created using lambda keyword. Followed by lambda keyword, you have expression variable colon expression. When you call this sum function, you have to pass two arguments which will be accepted as parameters in a and b. Expression will be evaluated and result will be stored in sum. Lambda variable colon followed by expression. We call the sum function print 10 20. 10 is accepted as A, 20 is accepted as B, expression is evaluated and implicitly value is returned as sum. Lambda function or anonymous function are restricted to use expression only. They cannot use any statement, not even return statement. They have implicit return which returns a value of evaluation of expression. You can create equivalent function using def keyword also. So for example, we are creating first add function using lambda keyword. It has two variables and expression is x plus y. When we call add function, you have to pass 5 3 5 is accepted as x, 3 is accepted as y, 5 plus 3 is evaluated and stored in add. This one way of creating add object function object. Output will be 8. Or the same function can be created using def keyword. Def add x comma y, and what we are returning x plus y. You call the add function 5 3 5 is accepted as x, 3 is accepted as y, 5 plus 3 is computed and return here. As you are directly using it, calling it in the cell, the value will be printed at the output. While using lambda function or single expression function, you can pass the value of the variables in the same line or in line. For example, you have a lambda function which is accepting two variables a comma b, and it is evaluating an expression called as a plus b. We are passing in the same line the values of the variable 10 20. 10 is accepted as a, 20 is accepted as b. We are computing 10 plus 20, result will be 30, and directly we are printing the result in the same line. One more example, creating anonymous function lambda variables colon expression, and in this case we are passing the argument in the same line 5 3. 5 is accepted as x, 3 is accepted as y, 5 plus 3 is computed, and directly we are printing the value here itself because we are running it in the cell. Or you can use print statement also. That is same. Output will be 8. You write print here and enclose this lambda function created using lambda keyword. This is same. We are printing the value of 8. This is the one more example wherein we are giving a concise single expression evaluation wherein you have nesting of functions. Outer function is sorted. It is sorting tuples. For sorting tuples, it is using representative of the tuple, that is a key value pair. You have a tuple which is having 4 elements, 1d, 2b, 4a, 3c, where 1 2 3 4 and d b a c, 1 2 3 4 are key and d b a c are values. For 1 you have d, 2 here. If you want to sort this according to the values, then you can use a lambda expression wherein you are passing one variable and that variable is the second index. Indexing starts from 0. Therefore, you will access the second value of the key value pair, that is the value d. For if you have 1d as a tuple, then you are accessing x1, means you are accessing d. So what lambda function is doing, it is accessing the second element of the tuple, that is key, giving output to the key function. Then that key function is giving output to the sorted function of the tuple dbac, and according to dbac the tuple is sorted using sorted function, and output is given. You click on the cell, run the cell. You can see that sorting is done according to the second value. Generally, instead of using lambda function, we prefer to use def, means defining a function, or using list comprehension. It is easy to comprehend and understand. It's time to cross check our objective. Yes, we have understood lambda functions, anonymous function, why they are called as anonymous. Please leave a comment below and share this series with your friend. Do hit the like and subscribe button if you like the content. Thanks for watching.